My dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn new techniques in mathematics where we'll learn squaring by base method. Let's check it now.
When the base is 10, let me take some example. Suppose 8 square, so which can be written as 8 and divide it into two parts. 8 is 2 away from 10, here is as well, and 2 to 4, and 8, the sum of this cross sum, we have to find it out whether 8 minus 2 or 8 minus 2 this side. It will be 8 minus 2, 6, 64. Why don't we do 16 square? So this 16 is 6 away from 10. In both cases, 6 is 36, and 16 plus 6 is 22. Since we are having 1 0 in the base, we have to move these two to left hand side. So 6, we are having 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 2 is our answer. Now what if we take base 100? So let's take the example of less than 100, 96 square. It is 4 away from 100. So now we multiply this. 4 4 is 16, and 96 minus 4 is 92. So 9216 is the square of 96. Now let us check 101 square. More than 100, more than the base. This is 1 away from base in both the cases. So 1 into 1 is 1. Since we are having 2 zeros, 2 digit here, 1 we have, and 1 0 we'll write it extra. 101 plus 1 is 102. Without doing like the previous way, we can do in this way also. Suppose 107 square, we'll write it 107 plus 7. Since it is extra, so we'll do plus 7. 7 square, which is 7 square is 49, and 107 plus 7 is 114. We can check for 94 square also. So 94, 6 away from, that means we have to subtract it, and it is 6 square here. What we have is 6 is 36, and 94 minus 6 is nothing but 88. So another one, 103 whole square. So it is 103 plus 3, and it is 3 square. 3 3 is 9. So since it is 1 digit, we are having base 100. We'll write 2 digit with 0 included. 103 plus 3 is 106. Let me give you one example so that you can give me the answer in the comment section. Whatever it is, we can do it a very simple way. Let me check with another 117 square. So it will be 117 plus 17 square of 17. So square of 17 is nothing but 289. We have two parts here, and 117 plus 17 is 134. This 2 we are going to add it to this part. So after adding, we shall get 13689. This will be our 117 square value. Why don't you check with this number 121 square? Please give me the answer in the comment section. Thank you.
Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new. Feel free to comment me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.